Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Friday the 27th of June. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see broad areas of high pressure across the southeast and east of the country and starting to strengthen in the west as well. That will mean cool mornings for these areas and mostly settled daytime conditions, with the exception of a few showers through southeast Western Australia as this weak low pressure trough brushes the coast. We're also likely to see a low pressure trough starting to develop across northern inland Queensland, which is likely to bring us a little bit more rain over the weekend. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with a look at Queensland. Now, cool overnight conditions will continue for Queensland into tomorrow morning, particularly through southern, central and northern inland parts of the state. We'll see some patches of frost once again across those southern and central inland areas, then a dry and mostly sunny day following. A few showers moving across northern parts of the Cape York Peninsula and developing about the North Tropical Coast as moisture increases and is pulled in around this developing low pressure trough. We'll also see a few showers returning to the southeast coast of the state, but none of these showers are expected to bring very high rainfall totals. They will remain fairly patchy. For Brisbane tomorrow, it will be a partly cloudy day and a top of 21 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, widespread morning frosts are on the forecast, with morning fogs through the east. We are heading for a generally sunny and settled day across those inland parts of the state. A little bit more cloud in the east with a few coastal showers moving through, mainly for areas to the north of around Sydney or so. We are also likely to see hazardous surf conditions continuing for parts of the east coast, particularly for the Hunter and Macquarie coasts in powerful southerly swells. For Sydney tomorrow, we are heading for a shower or two and a top of 17 degrees. After a frosty start down in Canberra, we're heading for a partly cloudy top of 13 degrees. Morning frosts across inland Victoria tomorrow once again, then partly cloudy daytime conditions, particularly through the south and west. It'll be a little bit sunnier through the northeast and a little bit drier as well. A few light patchy showers or drizzle areas will move through the south with generally very low rainfall totals expected. For Melbourne tomorrow, we're heading for a mostly cloudy day and a top of 14 degrees. Down in Tasmania, morning frosts and fogs are on the forecast once again. Partly cloudy skies and a few isolated showers through the west and south during the day, sunnier and drier through the east. For Hobart, it'll be a partly cloudy day and a top of 14 degrees. The chance of morning frost through parts of eastern South Australia tomorrow morning, particularly through parts of the Riverland, Murraylands and southern parts of the northeast pastoral. We may also see some morning fogs across the southern parts of the state. Otherwise, it'll be a partly cloudy day in the south with a few light showers about the windward coasts, drier and sunnier in the north. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are heading for a cloudy top of 15 degrees. Through Western Australia tomorrow, we are looking at morning frosts once again across the southwest land division with low overnight temperatures forecast once more. We are going to see mostly dry and sunny conditions across the state tomorrow, but we will have a little bit more cloud through the southwest with a few showers moving through as that low pressure trough brushes the coast, then slips away to the south. For Perth, it will be a sunny day, however, and a top of 21 degrees. In the Northern Territory tomorrow, the cool, dry southeasterly surge is moving through. That means low temperatures, particularly across those southern parts of the Territory, and gusty winds at times, particularly through central parts of the Territory around the Barkly district or so. Otherwise, it will be sunny and mostly settled, although we will see a little bit more cloud across eastern parts of the top end with a possible shower on the way there. For Darwin, we're heading for a sunny top of 31 degrees. Now, you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the BOM Weather app or via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.